Hello, Randy Orman here with the Information School at the University of Washington. And in this little video, I'm just going to show how quick and easy it is to set up a new FeedbackFruits activity within the UW Canvas environment. So here I am on the assignments page. I've got a FeedbackFruits activities assignment group. I'm just going to add something to this. So I'm just going to click on Add Assignment. You can do it from here. This is one way to do it, but I generally like to go to more options. So I get all of the options. So the first thing we're going to do is we have to give it an assignment name. So feedback fruits peer review example 2, since I already have one. I don't need to do anything on the description. You'll do that description inside the FeedbackFruits area. So this is pretty much all we need to do is add a title for the assignment so it shows up in the assignment list. Then I'm going to come down here to submission type, external tool, and then I'm going to say find, and then I'm going to scroll down until I find FeedbackFruits. Going to add FeedbackFruits. We're going to wait for this to load. Once the FeedbackFruits activity picker loads, you can see we have access to a number of FeedbackFruits activities. The one we want to use is actually peer review, so we're going to click on that. And then here, what we need to do is provide a name, and I've given it the same name, I think, what I gave the other one. I can't save yet because I have to have something in the instructions. So I'm just going to put something in instructions and then I can say save. This is going to return me back to the third-party picker from inside of our Canvas tool. I'm going to click select from here. And I've now added that here. So it says here's the URL for FeedbackFruits. So you should see something like that. Starting out with the FeedbackFruits US API FeedbackFruits. That'll tell you that it's actually copied the URL in there. I don't need to do anything else here. I'm going to come to the bottom. I'm going to click Save. You don't want to save and publish yet because you don't want students doing anything until you've configured the FeedbackFruits activity. So I'm going to click Save. It's going to return me to the actual assignment. If I would click on that assignment from inside the assignments list, this is what will load. You can see I have the edit assignment settings up here, but I don't need to do that anymore. From here, we can edit the FeedbackFruits activity using the edit button here. But that's the basic process of getting something into an assignment from the very beginning of the process. Hopefully you find this helpful.